Tell me you're married to a Ghanaian without telling me.
Hi guys, we're back with another video from About the Emojis. So, of course, my sister-in-law went to Ghana and brought us back a few treats. So we want to show you guys some of the awesome things that she brought back. So this first thing is some dried smoked tilapia, which was so delicious in our jollof. And then we have some green chateau. So essentially, chateau is a very spicy sauce, and this one is made purely with habanero. Next, we have some Tom Brown. So to my American friends, Tom Brown is essentially porridge or cream of wheat with a peanut butter flavor. Then we have the red chateau. So this has to be my favorite. It is made with tomatoes and dried fish, dried crayfish. Seasoning is so nice when paired with grilled tilapia or anything like that. It's so good. Then we have some natural shea butter that she brought back that we've been using to moisturize our skin. And also another great seasoning. If you know, you know, this is suya. Suya. It is made with peanut butter powder and a couple other spices, but it is so good when you put it with grilled meat. Then we have some raw, pure peanut butter that we use for our groundnut soup or peanut butter soup. Now moving on to our keko or momone, which is basically fermented dried fish, and oh my god, it stinks so bad. But it tastes so good in the soups. Very umami type flavor. And we have some more seasoning, the onga stew seasoning, and also another classic one that we absolutely love. So both of those. Okay, so now we have another fish, which is smoked catfish. My husband loves this. I like it sometimes when you add it into different jollofs. It gives it kind of like a smoky taste. And now we have some burger nuts. So essentially these are ground nuts or peanuts that have been tossed in like this batter and kind of fried. They're very good. Nice crunchy snack. And we have another seasoning, a kilo of seasoning. Just playing. But my sister-in-law made us some seasoning with different spices that she loves. She's a chef, so we have that. And to pair with that is some palm oil. So if you know, a lot of the foods are cooked with palm oil, especially like bean stew, which I love, which essentially in America are black beans that have been cooked down with tomatoes. And we also got some Milo. So Milo is kind of like the American version of Yahoo, but it tastes very nice. With some bread, like that gege bread and Milo on a Saturday morning. And fried egg, oh my God, so nice. Then we have groundnut and also some frozen yogurt, frozen ice cream, which is called Fangyo and also Fan Ice in Ghana. Very nice, not too sweet, but something just a nice treat on a hot day. And then we have some black soap. Just everything that we enjoy. And we did have a few other things not pictured. And that was some goat meat, some snails, frozen snails. But next time we'll try to get more pictures. But yeah, again, tell me you're married to a Ghanaian without telling me you're married to a Ghanaian. Until next time, bye-bye.
I wanna go Africa where the sun take place. Walk up through the savannah for the ancient ways.